Eggs, a miracle food. Do you enjoy eggs? If not, get cracking. An egg consists of its yellow yolk and the surrounding white protected by a hard shell. Did you know there is just one single cell in an egg? In contrast, human males consist of around 37 trillion cells. Do you know that the average person eats one egg a day for their whole life? It's also what the American Heart Association recommends. Fun fact: a hen can lay around 250 eggs in a year, enough for one person. Eggs are a wonder food and are highly nutritious. High in protein and vitamin B12, the yolk is a great source of natural vitamin D. Plus, eggs are so easy to prepare and versatile. They can be made, eaten, and enjoyed in so many ways. Here are just a few ways people enjoy their eggs. You can hard-boil eggs, but you'll have to peel them. Soft-boiled eggs are a British breakfast tradition. Dip your toast into the runny yolk. Poached eggs are very healthy. How do you like your fried eggs? Some people like their eggs over easy. I like my eggs broken. You can have your eggs fried sunny side up. Scrambled eggs are delicious. Creamy, smooth, easy to make. Omelets are common and popular. Add what you want to it. You dip bread into egg to make French toast. Then cover it with delicious maple syrup. This is how you coddle an egg. It's how you separate the white from the yolk. Egg whites are used in many foods and recipes, for example, marshmallows, angel food cake, or Caesar salad dressing. Machines can separate egg whites and yolks very easily. Egg soufflés are very French. Very delicious. I love Eggs Benedict. Poached eggs, ham, hollandaise sauce on an English muffin. Millions enjoy their Egg McMuffin from McDonald's every morning. I prefer my own egg sandwich at home. How do you like your eggs? What's your favorite egg dish? Let us know in the comments. Get crackin'! Thanks for watching. The end.